Stop digging. Seriously, if you're still growing potatoes buried in heavy soil, you're working way too hard for way too little harvest. Today I'll show you how to grow potatoes without soil using a simple 4-layer mulch method that can double your yield. Potatoes grow underground, but they don't actually like hard soil. When soil gets compacted, tubers struggle to expand. Mulch stays light, airy, and full of oxygen, which means more room for potatoes to grow bigger and healthier. Before planting, give your potatoes a head start. Let them sprout indoors in a bright room for about 2 weeks. These little sprouts are called chits, and they help the plant grow faster once planted. Big potatoes can be cut into chunks, as long as each piece has at least one sprout. But don't plant them right away. Let the cut pieces sit for 24 hours so the surface dries and forms a protective layer. Layer 1 is your weed blocker. Lay down cardboard or thick newspaper right on top of grass or soil. Wet it well. This stops weeds and saves you from digging. Next comes compost. Add 2 to 3 inches. This is the only true soil your potatoes will touch, and it gives young roots the nutrients they need. Place your sprouted seed potatoes right on top of the compost. Space them about a hand's length apart. Sprouts facing up. Now cover everything with 6 inches of loose straw or shredded dry leaves. This is where the potatoes will actually grow. It must stay fluffy, not packed down. Important tip: use straw, not hay. Hay contains seeds that can turn into a weed jungle. The final layer is a thin topping of grass clippings or aged manure. This adds nitrogen and slowly feeds the layers below as it breaks down. Here's the full system from the side. 4 layers working together like a garden lasagna. When plants grow about 8 inches tall, add more straw around the stems. This encourages even more potatoes to form higher up. Never let potatoes see sunlight while growing. Light turns them green and toxic. When plants die back, it's harvest time. Just pull back the straw with your hands. No tools needed. Look how the potatoes formed all along the buried stems. That's how this method can double your harvest. And the best part, they're clean. No scrubbing mud off your dinner. 4 layers, no digging, fewer weeds, and a much bigger harvest. Try the 4-layer mulch method this season and see the difference yourself. Subscribe for more simple, no-dig gardening ideas.